Hello, Education 2220 students. I hope everyone is having a great week. Well, we are almost at the end of the semester. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but May the 1st, which is a Friday, is when our spring semester ends. So I just wanted to start the video out showing you where we are and how we're going to wrap up this course. So first I want to talk about finals week. I do have a date set for finals. Um, so your final, I give you 2 full days because I know that you have other finals going on and this is an online course, so we can be a little bit more flexible with our time. But our final for this class will open up on May the 4th, which is a Monday, and it at 8 a.m. and it will close on May the 5th, which is Tuesday at 11:30 p.m. So you have 2 full days to get your exam completed. Now, remember, this is the final, as I mentioned before, is not comprehensive. It's not over everything, right? So it's only going to be over modules 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I would test you on the other half. If you go to Final Exam under Table of Contents, there is a study guide there for you. There's also a link to the exam, so that is there as well. Now, the other thing that we were talking about in terms of course wrap up is going to be what we call your post test and your course feedback. All of that is going to be in the course for you under Table of Contents. There's a section underneath Final Exam that says post test and course feedback. So that would be the easiest way. I already have it available for you in open. So when you're watching this, it's probably already the open. It will close on May the 4th. So that gives you a little bit of time um, to get that done. And like I mentioned, it's very helpful because whenever we do feedback for the course and we're developing the course for you, we want to know, what did you like about it? What did you think was maybe a negative aspect? And if you do identify a problem, try to come up with a solution or what you think would work. And being honest in your feedback is really going to help improve the course for future students. So please go ahead and fill that out. The post test is going to be that test that you took at the beginning of the semester. And you're going to take the same test again. And what that does, it lets us see your growth, but also that you've mastered the course learning outcomes. That also starts on the 24th of April, but it will be due on May the 4th at 11:30. So just make sure you have that completed. Now, as far as your service learning documents, that was due on the 23rd. So that was, you're going to be your log and evaluation, which should be sent to me from your mentor teacher. And then you had your written assignments for your service learning project. So this is going to be your journal and your written analytical paper, your reflection paper. So that should have been put in Dropbox. Now, we do have an option if you want to make up work in this course. If you go back and look at the syllabus, I do allow for 1 module assignment and 1 module quiz. So if you're missing a quiz, you can reach out. Any late work will be put into the late Dropbox, but that cutoff is May the 1st, so coming up really soon. So you may want to get on that or get with me to check if you have a question or concern about something. But that's pretty much it. Of course, we'll get back on one more time. Probably sometime in the next few days, you'll get another video um, closing us out completely. But if you have questions about late work or concerns about service learning and finishing up, or about your closing documents or anything of that sort, please feel free to reach out. But I hope everyone has a great week, and until next time, take care.